Hey everyone, Sarah from Easy English Club back with another British English lesson for you peoples, my lovelies. Today we are going to be learning about tenses in British English with examples the easy way. I cut a video on this before and I think I confused the heck out of everybody. Probably confused myself too. Anyhow, all joking aside. All right, peoples, you know what I'm going to ask you to do. Give me the thumbs up. Thank you very much. If you find it useful, thumbs up. It's important for our videos, guys. It gives us ranking and popularity. Okay, learning about tenses in British English with examples the easy way. Now, we have present tense, which is now, past tense, which is behind us, as in it's gone. We can't do anything about the past. And we have future tense, which hasn't happened yet. So I've picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 verbs, words for you, my lovelies, and I am going to give you an example sentence of past, present and future tenses, and I hope this helps you learn them. Give me some feedback, my lovelies. Put it down there in the comments for me so that I can read it. Maybe cut another video and try and help you a little more with this, because after speaking to a bunch of my students, the main thing they have problem with, as well as grammar, pronunciation and vocabulary, is tenses. Of course, I take this for granted. I just open my mouth and out it comes. But hopefully this lesson will help you guys understand a little more. So, first word I've picked is rain, as in raining like the weather. So in present tense, we can say something like, do you think it will rain today? You guys repeat that after me. Do you think it will rain today? That's present tense. Now, past tense. Has it rained? Notice the rain word has got ed on the end. The spelling's down there, guys, and I'll slap it up there too so that you can see it. So basically, it's in the past. It has rained. Or you can say, has it rained? Is it raining? In future tense, you can say, do you think it might be raining? We add an ing. So the word rain in present tense is rain by itself. In the past, we add ed, rained. In the future, you say raining. So there you go. Rain, rained, raining. These are just sample sentences, guys. Next word I have for you is study, where you're reading books or watching videos or just studying something. So study in the present tense. Would you like to study with me? You guys repeat back. Would you like to study with me? Kind of asking a question here. Now, in past tense, we add IED. The word study becomes studied. Have you studied today? Repeat that after me, guys. Have you studied today? I know you have. You've been listening to the channel and you have done your studying. Good people. Next one. In the future tense, the word study. Will you be studying? The word study has been changed to studying. There's a ing on the end. Studying. Okay, guys. Next word. Watch. Not this kind of watch, but watch like you're watching the videos. Example sentence. Would you like to watch an English lesson with me? Repeat that back, guys. Would you like to watch an English lesson with me? That's present tense. Past tense. Have you watched any videos? Repeat that back, guys. The more you repeat, the more you listen, the easier this will be on you. So, have you watched any videos? Now, past tense, you can say, I have watched some videos. Or you can say, I will be watching some videos. So again, the watch word is changed to either watched, spelling's down there, peoples, or watching. Hope I'm not losing you here, guys, and you're keeping up. Next word I have is my favourite word, talk. You know I like to talk. I talk a lot, hence English videos. Okay. Would you like to talk? Another question. Basically present tense. Okay. Would you like to talk? Now, in past tense, we can say something like, I have been talking. That's I have been talking. And in the future, future tense, sorry guys, I will be talking. Or you can say, I will be speaking. Basically, an ing has been added to talk about the future. It hasn't happened yet. And the last word I have for you is cook. You know, where you're getting your pots and pans and putting some food in it. Cooking. Present tense. I am cooking. Or you can say something like, what shall we cook? Or would you like to cook? In past tense, we can say, I have been cooking. Good job too, because I'm hungry. Okay, back to the lesson. I have been cooking. All right, guys. In the future tense, cook. I bet you can guess what we change it to. Add ed. I have cooked you some supper. Or we can say, I have cooked for you. Or I have been cooking. So, present tense, past tense, future tense. It's way more complicated than this, guys, and there's 101 different rules, but I'm not going to confuse you with that today. We'll just stick to the basics, since it's easy English. So, present, past, future. Present, happening now. Past, already gone behind us. Can't do nothing about that. And the future. Something to look forward to. All right, my lovelies. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget the thumbs up. It helps. Make a comment. Anything you'd like to see, hear, do. Slap it down there in the comments, people, so I will get back to you. Hit the subscribe button, which I never know if it's up here, up there, or down there. And the bell icon. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you, my lovelies. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.